So the first thing I'm going to let you know is how to create a project in Resolve. What I like to do is when I'm starting for the very first time, right, I like to collate all of the materials meant for the video in one place. So to do this, we need to, this is called a directory. When you launch the program for the first time, right, you will be greeted by this screen. And then you can see on the left side, there's this section called disk. So when you install the program already, then the program has already a preset database within your computer. But if for whatever reason you like to create your own separate database, let's say like you want to work off a external hard disk drive and things like that, so that you can bring that hard disk drive and edit it on another workstation and such. So how do you create a new database? You will see that at the bottom, there's this thing called new database. Okay, so you just click it. So instead of connect, you press create, and then you click on the location. Where would you like it to? Where would you like the database to be located at? So for demonstration purposes, I've pre-made a database for today's tutorial. Okay, which is on the desktop, DaVinci Resolve 16 Zoom tutorial. Okay, then now that you need to give it a name. What is it? So okay, so according to your preferences, you can just name the database as it is. Okay, once you've created the new database, okay, this one is a tip on how to organize your footage and things like that. Previously, when I set the database as it is, there's only this cache clip and resolve projects. But what I like to do is all future editing projects, will go to this database. So what I like to do is I separate it by year and then by event. And then there's a folder called footage, where this is where you can bring in all of your stuff, all of your videos, all of your photos, all your music and things like that. So it's a good thing to organize your materials this way and make sure that all of the materials that you're going to be using for your video all end up in this project, so that if you ever move it to somewhere else, there won't be any missing files when you open up in a different editing machine.